My name's Hazen. I'm part of the bike therapy crew. Pioneer this week, just servicing all the bikes as the riders finish the stages and go to sleep. We work through the night to get everything finished. You know, we're seeing on average 250 bikes a night, so it's a big crew of mechanics and lots of bikes and a fair bit of work. We're probably 20 to 22 hours a night to get the bikes turned around. Really, these guys are focusing on really quality work, and then when they get the chance, really quality sleep.
Bikes aren't just checked, they're like really fully checked. Race it, drop it off, pick it up the next day, it's good to go. It's pretty awesome.
You're scared the whole time. You just don't know what's going to happen. You know, like you spend all year, you get the call up, you want to work at the Pioneer, and you're like, nah. But yeah, you know. So then the weeks get closer and closer and closer and closer, and you think, shh, I'm actually going to go and do this.